Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work from home job lead. Now, United Healthcare, if you can get in with them, is a great place to work because not only do they provide the computer equipment for you that you need to get the job done, they also provide internet service for you. So you do not have to have anything at all but the skills to do this job. Now, they are hiring a medical records associate. This is remote within the United States. Now, they are looking for someone to work 40 hours a week. This is a Monday through Friday job, so no weekends are needed unless you're on occasional overtime. But they are searching for someone to download medical records, appeals, and sign offs from fax inboxes, portals, secure emails, copy services, and FTPs. Once you download those medical records, you'll match the records to the corresponding claims in their internal database, and you'll enter the record into the system for the team of auditors to be able to access and review. You will learn how to utilize their ChartPoint and their internal suite of Office applications. You'll understand the life cycle of the claim as it moves through the different business departments, and you'll do any other administrative duties as assigned. So this is complete data entry, medical records, no phones. They only require a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is needed. They do want somebody who is proficient with computers and Windows PC applications. You can use a computer on your own. They are looking for someone who can work independently, have strong attention to detail, strong interpersonal skills, and great organizational skills. Now, this is remote for the United States, but it does say you must live in a location that can receive their approved high-speed internet connection. Because like I said, they are going to provide the internet service for you. So if you live like way out in the country in a deserted area that doesn't get internet service, this may be a problem for you, but if you live in a city, you should have no problems. Now, United Healthcare does pay fairly well. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on the skills that you bring to the table and your location, but pay is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $27.31 an hour. Of course, United Healthcare also provides standard benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. If you have any suggestions of how I can make these job leads better and more helpful for you, please leave them in the comments below. All constructive criticism is welcome. I'm trying to start off this new year being more helpful and providing even more work from home job leads. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.